Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
If your heated seats do not work, you have multiple fuses that you need to check. For front heated seats and for rear heated seat, we will have the video on the channel, check it out. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll need to open just one of them that's located under the hood in the engine bay. If you come right here, next to the car battery, guys, you have a fuse box, that's the cover. If you open that cover on your fuse box, you're going to see a fuse box layout, guys, that looks just like that. And that will be the front of your F-150, guys. That will be towards the windshield side. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So, if your truck is equipped with heated seats, you have that relay, otherwise you will not have it. But check this thing out, guys, you have different fuses, relays. Those could be really hard to find, overpriced at the parts stores, so I'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So, if you guys have the heated seats, the relay that you will need to check will be that relay right here, okay? Ours is missing because ours is not equipped with that, because it has the quad interior, regular quad interior. So
hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.